This is the easy way to switch out your windshield wipers on your 5th gen 4Runner. Let's do it. Spring is almost here, and with that comes a lot of rain. If you live in a northern climate where your windshield wipers frequently get iced up, or if you've just had them on your vehicle for a long time, you know that they don't last forever. They start to wear out. The little rubber strip starts to peel off, and you start getting a lot of streaks on your windshield. After a while, that gets not only just annoying, but it gets dangerous. If you don't have good visibility while driving, that can lead to some very dangerous situations, especially in heavy rain. So we got some good windshield wipers off of Amazon. We're going to install these. These are the Bosch Icon windshield wipers. Let's check them out. These are the Bosch Icon windshield wiper blades. And I went with these because they have so many good reviews on Amazon. They're supposed to last quite a bit longer than the typical windshield wiper blade, up to 40% longer. This also is supposed to handle extreme all-weather performance. Living here in Minnesota, you know that the temperature can get to 20 below zero sometimes in the winter, sometimes even more than that. And the summers can get very hot, well over 100 degrees. So quite a bit of extreme temperature variation here. We have the 24A. This is for the driver's side, and the passenger side is the 20A. These come in a 2-part kit where you get both of them. I will put the link in the description below so you know you get the right size for the 5th gen 4Runner. So we're going to turn the windshield wiper blade like this on this model, and you might have a little bit different blade depending on what your vehicle comes with, but we have this little tab right here. We're going to lift that up and then it'll come down. So I pop this tab way up and then slowly slides off like that. Now I have this hook and I take the 24-inch blade. So I have the windshield wiper blade like this, and you can see that you squeeze the little sides right here. It lifts that up. I want to insert that hook right through there. And so I go in just like that. There, did you see that snap? Now it's in there nice and solid. You have to get that snap and push it way up so you hear it snap in place. Now it's not loose there at all. Now this goes right down, clicks right into place like that. And then gently lay it down. Now that's the driver's side. What I like is that it's nice and solid here. So any sort of snow or whatever can just come right off, doesn't get trapped into the tiny little crevices of some of those other grid-like type wipers. Let's go do the passenger. On the passenger side again, I take this little notch, I lift it up like this, all the way, pops right out, and it comes off just like that. Now we take the Bosch Icon 20A. So again, you squeeze the sides of this, and you lift that up. So you want the hook to pass right through this opening right here. Just like that. Pushing it all the way up. Now it's locked in place. It's pretty solid. Push that down and slowly back down in place. Now you've probably noticed that some people leave their windshield wipers up like this during snowstorms or if there's ice or sleet. And there's 2 reasons why I don't do that. One is that if there's a strong gust of wind, this can slam down and it can either break your windshield wiper blade or the windshield wiper itself, or if you have very sharp ice, it can sometimes even shatter your windshield. Those can lead to very expensive repairs. The other reason is that when you have it left out in extension like this, the spring, there's a little bit extra tension on there. And so if you have it constantly out, it can weaken that spring with time. You end up with a weaker contact with the windshield wiper blade to the windshield itself, and you may end up with streaking even with a new windshield wiper blade. So those are the reasons why I don't leave your windshield wipers up like that. Plus, it just doesn't look good. Now, if you have ice and snow build up along here, don't just knock it and don't just hit it free. There is a button in the 5th Gen 4Runner that defrosts this whole area. Check it out right here. Windshield wiper blade defroster. And what that does is it causes a heating element all along the bottom there, and that will melt any sort of ice along that area. Use that button to defrost this whole area and melt that ice before you start chipping away at it. That will keep your windshield wipers lasting a little bit longer. And there you have it. Super easy to install these in your driveway. You don't need to pay someone $20 to install these. You can do them yourself. Important thing is to get the right size. Bosch Icon Extreme Weather 24A for the driver's side, 20A for the passenger side. They come in a 2-pack. Click the link in the description below, so it'll take you right to it. 5th Gen 4Runner, new wiper blades. You can do it, it's very easy. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on any other new videos that are coming out. If you are interested in other 4Runner videos, I have a lot of them on installations that I've done to my own 4Runner. You can do a lot of them. They're very simple and very easy to do, very cost effective and valuable. I think they hugely improve the experience of the 4Runner. Thanks a lot, we'll catch you next time. Bye.